What is up, guys? Welcome to this week's weekly recap. Today I'll be going over the trades that I took, trades that maybe I could have taken, mistakes that I did, and yeah, what I can improve going forward. Um, Going into Monday, I had a pretty bullish bias towards previous week high. Um, yeah, I mean being this high here, I think. Yeah, looks like it. Yeah. So I had a bullish bias there, and I wanted to take longs out of this 15-minute fair value gap. Um, I don't really know what happened. I kind of forgot. Oh, okay. Yeah, so market open, we just pumped to the draw with no entry at all. So nothing I could take there. I don't know if I took anything this day. I don't think I did. Oh yeah, no, this day I didn't take anything. Um, yeah, just pretty choppy day and just straight up nothing really to go over. Yeah, nothing good this day. Straight up, no retracements in 25 minutes or anything. So yeah. Okay, next day, Tuesday, very bullish bias towards all-time highs. I was looking for longs either out of London lows or the 4-hour fair value gap that we had. Um, Let me go here. Okay. Yeah, so we had London lows here. Um, so I was looking to take longs. We had a 30-second. I don't have 30-second here, but there was a 30-second right here, which is a trade that I took. Um, how was it? It was like this now. I think something like that. I was gonna go break even pretty early at this high. Um, what I think that I did wrong was that we did have this unmitigated 4-hour gap. So I think that waiting for this 4-hour gap to get hit was a play. Sure, we could sweep on the lows, respect this more premium gap, and go higher. But what I could have done better was instead of taking this 30-second inverse, was wait for this 3-minute inverse, because that way it's like way higher probability, and we're getting more displacement from the low. So I think that that's what I should have done. And I also told myself that I was gonna do that. But looking at the 30-second, I really like the reaction of out of like after the resweep. It was super V-shaped, so I just ended up taking it. But I should have just waited for the 3-minute, and yeah, I paid for that mistake. And then yeah, there was a super nice long here. So we tapped the 4-hour fair value up. We got a resweep of the low. Then if we go to a 5-minute, we had a 5-minute fair value up here that we opened up. Um, and we also had this one here, this 5-minute here. Um, and boom, we tap the 5-minute for rally up, and we have this B-shape 1-minute inverse. So longs here, and you could have taken profit either at this high for a 1-to-1 or held higher for like a higher RR. And we did also get an SMT, um, so that ended up going back to break even and then hitting back the take profit. If you held for longer, but I think I would have closed around here. I did take this on eval though, just because I only take one trade on my final account. And so I lost here, and then I took this long here on eval. Um, I was honestly being greedy. I wanted to hit 1500 since that's like the 50% consistency rule, and that fucked me up, but I should have just closed. Um, got my profits. I would have made the money that I lost here on my evals. So yeah, this is an A plus long, super clean trade, but yeah, uh ended up getting break even because I was greedy. But but yeah, it was a nice long though. And then, yeah, that was it for Tuesday. Now Wednesday, again bullish bias. I wanted to see longs out of previously low. Um, and we had a lot of super nice targets higher. This day, I'm pretty sure there wasn't really anything. Um, there was never like a good entry, and we just stomped. Yeah. So here's a sweep of this. Okay, I remember now. Yeah, so here's a sweep of this, and there was no entry that I could have taken. There was a 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, and 5 minute. I was looking to take this 5 minute inverse. We just never got the close, and once we got the close, it was all the way up here, so I just can't take that because we're trading inside of another gap, so I can't take anything there. I was looking though to take longs out of this 5 minute fair value gap. I was willing to take an inverse here, we never got it, and then we had an SMT here with this low, so a low inside of a key level, being what, the 4 hour fair value gap, and I was looking to take this 3 minute. Again, we never got the close, so no trade there. We just ended up dumping. Um, Again, there was also 2 minute inverse here for shorts, but I didn't like shorts at all here. I was just bullish, and I don't think it's a great setup at all. Mechanically, I guess it's not horrible, but you're targeting like a 1 minute swing low with an on-field 5 minute. That's a bare minimum mech, so it's not that good. And also, bro, with all of these targets higher, pretty much super close to all-time highs, taking shorts here, I don't think is good. And there was also potential long here, which I don't like much. I was like a bit of a lar, an unfilled gap, and I guess you're reacting out of this hourly gap, but it's like all the way down here. I don't know. If it had been like more swoop reaction, I guess it could have been better because, but we did also edge this low, so now we have kind of relatively good lows at the stop, so I don't really like it that much. And it's more of like a retracement to then sell off again. And we filled the 15 minute and we had a 5 minute inverse. The only bad thing is that it was at 11:10, so yes, the time wasn't great, but not a bad trade either way. But yeah, so nothing there. Thursday I had, so this day I was leaning bearish, but honestly, like I did write down that I was leaning bearish, but honestly, seeing the reaction that we got off of this low, which is an hourly intermediate low, here I'll show it. I was leaning more bullish. Um, so here we swept this low and we also had an SMT here. So I was honestly leaning more bullish. The only thing is that mechanically, I guess more bearish, just because we had inverse this and we had also inverse the daily gap. But I was honestly still more bullish discretionally. Um, and after the reaction out of this key level was super obvious, we just ended up pumping. So, okay, I said bet, pretty obvious bullish bias. So I was looking for a continuation long, and around here, I told myself, okay, if we do something like this, I'll take that long, and that's pretty much what we got. Um, there was an initial long opportunity here. There was an SMT with a 15-minute fair value gap, and we were also inside of a 5 minute. Um, and we had this 1 minute inverse. The reason that I think this failed and it wasn't a valid trade was because of this super small 3 minute gap, um, which never inverse, so that is why it failed. We ended up getting a resweep of the low, tapping the 15 minute fair value gap on NQ, and then boom, there was a 30-second around here that you could have taken. There was also this 2 minute, but there was a 30-second around here. Um, you would have gone break even at this high here, and it would have been like a 1 to 2 RR. I guess the close was like around there because it was, I think, exact 1 to 2 RR. Yeah, around there. Um, but yeah, I didn't take this 30 second. I did take this 2 minute. Um, Reason that I didn't take the 30 second, I didn't even see it. Uh, I saw this 2 minute and I said, okay, I'm gonna take this 2 minute. I didn't see the 30 second. And also kind of which the mistake from I think Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday about this 30 second here. Wait, was it Tuesday? Yeah, I think yeah, it was Tuesday. About the 30 second that I took around there. I could have taken the 3 minute for more uh probability and more conviction. So I think that even if I saw the 30 second, I would have waited for the 2 minute. And then boom, we got the V-shape 2 minute inverse. Had my stop around here. And I had a 1 to 1. I think I got like a decent fill around there, maybe. I don't know, but I had like a 1.1 R, I think, something like that. Um, Now this trade, I didn't go break even just because I had a lot of conviction on this, so I didn't want to go break even. We had a 10 a.m. open low as well, so 10 a.m. opens there. We go lower, tapping a key level 50-minute fair value gap. We had all of this LR, so I didn't want to go break even here. Um, I had a lot of conviction on this. Uh, wow, the way rejected 10 a.m. open is crazy, but whatever. Yeah. Um, And also, like, we had a 3 minute fair value gap, this one here, and also this one here, also the 2 minute gap. We had a breaker block, CISD, so I wanted to give it room. I didn't want to go break even that early. Um, and once we made this high, okay, and we traded back into it, I said, okay, I'm gonna go break even there. We mitigated the 3 minute. This low should be protected until we take this high, and that's pretty much what happened. I mean, yeah, I went break even here, and then I hit take profit. So small 1 to 1 RR, but an A plus setup. Exactly what I wanted to see happen. And yeah, super clean trade. And yeah, that was it for that day. And then Friday, I think it was bullish again. Yeah, bullish bias, all-time highs. I didn't take anything that day. Um, there could have been a nice setup, but the close just wasn't good at all. Uh, yeah, so we had CPI that day. Um, I was honestly going into the day, I didn't really want to trade just cause, look, I'll show my stats. I was in a pretty big losing streak. I did also full port a new zero count on CPI and I passed it, so now I have two. So that's really good. This one doesn't have a lot of drawdown left, but hopefully, with this one, hopefully I go on a winning streak and I can get it out of drawdown, and I can also grow this one. But yeah, um, but yeah, I didn't really want to take anything. Like I was on a pretty big losing streak. I had pretty much a uh break even week, and I didn't really feel like trading this day, especially with CPI. But the trade that was considering taking would have been this 3 minute inverse. Yes, the bad thing was that the close was all the way up here. I guess that you could have taken like the CISD entry and have a stop like around there. But even then, I don't know, like the RR wasn't even that good. So yeah, I don't know. It was kind of weird, honestly. Wait, what? Um, but yeah, um, yeah, and then there wasn't really anything else this day. Nothing good. Yes, super choppy, so I wasn't really willing to take anything. The only trade, decent trade was maybe this 1 minute long. We had an SMT there, but it's just a low. Um, like we're not trading inside of anything. There's no 5 minute. If this low was inside of a 5 or 15 minute, that would have been better. Because now we have all of this LR. But yeah, this would have been like, I don't know, your take profit or stop loss type of trade. And yeah, and there wasn't anything good this day. So yeah, that was it for this week. Outlook for next week on, I mean, we have FOMC, so Monday, I think it's gonna be super choppy. I don't think I might even trade it, cause I don't know, like, bro, we opened up so like over 200 points. Um, I'll see what the overnight does, but I don't think I'll take anything. Monday, no, it's Monday, FOMC week, fucking 200 point new week opening up, so I don't know. Um, yeah, I don't really want to trade it. Maybe, yeah, but I just feel like this gonna be like something super clean. So that's what I don't really like. Like I would obviously wake up for it. It's just that tomorrow I gotta go to class at 11 and it's 40 minutes away. So what I always do, I just get to school, like college, 9:15, and I trade and I go to class at 11. But I don't think it's even worth waking up early tomorrow. So yeah, I don't know. I'll see. Maybe just straight on the drive there. I'll see though. But yeah, that is it for this week and peace out.